Are you looking for practical ways to leverage the power of artificial intelligence to generate income? Then this guide is for you. ChatGPT is more than just a chatbot. It's a powerful tool for content creation, research, and automation. This video will break down the step-by-step process of turning this tool into a reliable source of income. At its core, ChatGPT is an incredibly versatile AI assistant capable of generating diverse content formats, brainstorming ideas, and processing language tasks at scale. While ChatGPT is powerful, remember that earning money still requires effort, skill refinement, and strategic thinking. It's a tool, not a magic money machine. We'll show you how to use it strategically. Our first major income stream is offering content creation services. Businesses constantly need fresh, engaging content, and ChatGPT can help you deliver it quickly. A real-world example is ghostwriting. You can charge clients to write blog posts, articles, or website copy, positioning yourself as a rapid content producer. The process is simple. Ask ChatGPT to generate an outline, expand on the sections for a first draft, and then use the AI to help you revise and polish the final article. Your role is the editor and quality controller. You can find these content gigs on major freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or even specialized industry job boards where content writers are in high demand. Next up is e-commerce copywriting. Sellers need compelling product descriptions that convert browsers into buyers, and this is where ChatGPT excels. Imagine a Shopify store owner with hundreds of products. You can offer to write engaging, persuasive product listings that highlight key benefits and drive sales for their entire catalog. Use ChatGPT to incorporate high-value keywords for SEO and craft descriptions that appeal directly to the customer's needs, leading to higher conversion rates. Our third lucrative area is leveraging ChatGPT for translation and summarization services. This is especially valuable for global businesses or academic research. A client might need a short document translated quickly, or they may have a very long market research report that needs a concise, one-page summary. ChatGPT can handle both efficiently. The key here is quote engineering. By clearly instructing the AI on the target audience, tone, and desired length, you ensure the translations and summaries are accurate and high quality. Our fourth strategy involves creating and selling digital products. This allows you to earn passive income by selling the same product repeatedly. Think about generating an ebook, like The Beginner's Guide to Homebrewing. You create the content once with ChatGPT's help and sell it forever. Use the AI to research the topic, structure the chapters, and generate the foundational text for each section. You then refine, add unique examples, and design the finished product. You can sell these digital products on platforms like Gumroad, which is great for digital downloads, or Etsy for a broader customer base looking for templates and guides. So we've covered 4 concrete ways to start earning money. Now let's look at how to maximize and scale these efforts. To recap, you can earn money through content creation, e-commerce copywriting, translation/summarization, and creating digital products. Always remember, human editing and adding your unique touch are essential for high quality. Focus on a niche or specialization to stand out and truly succeed in the AI-powered economy.